What's the meaning of bean counter? Bean counter. Bean counter.
Bean counter. Bean counter. Bean counter is a slang term used to describe someone who focuses solely on financial details and doesn't prioritize other aspects of a business. Typically used in a derogatory manner, the term implies that the person is overly concerned with counting beans, i.e. dollars, and not interested in creativity, innovation, or customer service. The term was made popular in the 1980s with the rise of corporate culture and the advent of management speak. Although often used in a negative way, being a good bean counter is actually an important skill for accountants and financial analysts who need to keep track of a company's financial health.